What's up YouTube? Welcome back here. This is the new sneakers. Nike SB Dunk Strawberry. And this is from pureshop.ru. All sizes available. If you want to copy this one, please will copy on my website. You can check more details there. Any more questions, you can contact us. And let me show you some details of this one. The turbans on the hopper with the green color and the red, green, and white. This is the front. You can look about the front here. This part go through the shoe tom. You can look very good design. The color. Can you see something? On the shoe tom got the Nike SB Dunk High. This one is the Dunk High Pro. It's the high top. And about the side here. On the upper are a red part with doors. Got the green Nike shoes. And on the green part, the texture is very special. And here got a logo. And on this green part is with different texture. Very comfortable one. And check out the inner side. Got the same. Very good workmanship. The midsole is the translucent icy blue. And check out your part. Got a light green pull tab. This is the shape of this one. And about the inside, the color got the white. About the shoe part. Inside also, you can check out the back side of the shoe tom, got the test, and then below, about the design, very like the pocket. You can put something in. And also this one, the shoe part is very cute. You can look the logo on the shoe part. And this is the back side, got the air unit. So this is the new Nike SB Dunk High Blue. Would you like this one? You can check out again. Okay, so thanks for seeing you next time.